Good morning. We welcome you to another day of broadcasting activities. This is DWFM 92.3 Radyo 5 True FM, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Nation Broadcasting Corporation as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission to operate with an authorized power of 25,000 watts and with license number 1674 to operate until December 31, 2025. Our studio is located at the TV5 Media Center, Reliance Street, Mandaluyong City, and our transmitter is located at the Emerald Hills Subdivision, Barangay Santa Cruz, Sumulong Highway, Antipolo City. DWFM is maintained and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Hernando C. Manogid, PRC PECE license number 0000423. John Bell B. Perey, PRC ECE license number 0075400. Ricardo L. Parunao, NTC RTO license number 94-1 PNCR-12403. Brendo O. Sabado, NTC RTO license number 97-1 PNCR-18957. Adolfo M. Garay, NTC RTO license number 97-1 PNCR-19107. 92.3 Radyo 5 True FM is now signing on.
Mapagkakatiwalaan, masarap kausap at madaling maintindihan. Dito tayo kung saan ang kwento ng buhay mo ang bida. Huwag ka nang mag-alala, mayroon ka nang malalapitan, handang tumulong at magbigay ng kasiyahan. Dito tayo sa totoo, masarap pakinggan ang katotohanan. Dito tayo sa totoo, walang kasinungalingan. Tunay na kapatid, iyong maaasahan. Saan man sa bansa at sa mundo na may Pilipino, dito tayo sa totoo.
Tuwing umaga, bangon na! Kasama si Mon Gualvez. Bangon Bayan with Mon. Alas 4 hanggang alas 6 ng umaga. Telephone DJ Chacha sa Radyo 5 True FM. Alas 6 hanggang alas 10 ng umaga. Lord De Vera, Sana Lord. Alas 10 ng umaga hanggang alas 12 ng tanghali. Lunes hanggang Biyernes. Tutok na sa Radyo 5 True FM. Information, service, inspiration in one station. Radyo 5 True FM. Dito tayo sa totoo.
Mga kababayan, labanan ng antok.
Gising na sa bagong umaga. Bangon Bayan with Mon.
Bangon Bayan with Mon.
Get up. Move forward. Kasama si Mon Gualvez. Bangon Bayan with Mon. sa 92.3 Radyo 5 True FM.
True FM.
Dito na tayo sa totoo.